Hello friends, this is round 10 of the Star and Diamonds doily, and unlike the round 9, this round is so much easier. So let us begin. So we chain 1 and skip the stitch that's in front of the chain 1, and we are going to make the next stitch. But since this is a front post double crochet stitch, we are going to go ahead and mark this stitch and do a front post double crochet on the first mark stitch, and then double crochet on the same stitch. Make sure that we catch the front and back loop at all times. So then double crochet on the next mark stitch and the next stitch. So this is the second and third. Then mark the next stitch and go back and do a left front post double crochet on the left front post double crochet that we skipped. So we continue to widen the diamond design. So let us count how many total stitches in between this front post double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should be consistent on every diamond design on this round. We can remove the markers now, except this one, because we haven't made a stitch there yet. So after making the left front post double crochet, starting on the mark stitch, we're going to make 9 double crochets until the next front post double crochet of the diamond design. So mark the next 2 stitches bordering the next front post double crochet, front post double crochet on the mark stitch and double crochet on the stitch under front post double crochet. Then starting on the mark stitch, double crochet on the next stitch 3 times. 1, that was 1, 2, and 3, and mark the next stitch and go back and do a left front post double crochet, and so repeat. So keep repeating the same set of stitches all the way around. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 between the Y stitches or the diamond stitches, and there are 4 double crochet within the diamond stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are now working toward the end of the round. So the next stitch after making the double crochet after the right front post double crochet, then the next stitch is the skip stitch at the beginning of the round. So we're going to make 1 double crochet there, and this should be the last stitch. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, counting this as a stitch. So we end the round the same way we did on previous rounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's correct. So that's the end of the round there.